Maya graduated with honors. She did everything society told her to do: study hard, get skills, and build experience. But 6 months later, she still couldn't find a single job. The reason isn't that Maya failed, it is that the job market changed while she was studying. What if the biggest threat to your career isn't that you'll be fired, but that you'll never be hired in the first place? Across almost every industry, companies are quietly generating more revenue while actively hiring fewer people, breaking the link between business growth and job creation forever. According to a recent study by the McKinsey Global Institute, up to 45% of activities workers are paid to perform can be automated using already demonstrated technologies. In the tech sector alone, despite record-breaking profits and rising stock prices, hiring rate has dropped by over 30% compared to 3 years ago. Look at companies like Meta. Mark Zuckerberg declared a year of efficiency, cutting over 20,000 roles while shifting focus to automated systems and AI infrastructure, resulting in their most profitable quarters in history. A survey by the business platform Resume Builder revealed that nearly 4 in 10 companies have replaced workers with AI this year, and another 40% plan to reduce headcount as they adopt advanced machine learning models. The World Economic Forum predicts a net decrease of 14 million jobs globally over the next 5 years. This means businesses are no longer scaling by adding human labor. Instead, they are investing in software and AI agents that can do the work of entire departments at a fraction of the cost. For modern professionals, this trend represents a direct challenge to your career security, your future income, and the stability of your family. You are entering a job market where the competition is fiercer than ever before. In the past, if a company wanted to expand its operations, it had to hire more staff. This created a steady flow of job openings and career advancement opportunities. Today, because AI tools can draft reports, write code, and analyze financial data, companies are keeping their teams small and highly leveraged. If you rely on traditional technical skills, you are competing against systems that work 24 hours a day without salary, benefits, or vacation. The constant anxiety of sending out resumes into an endless digital void, only to receive automated rejections, is a direct result of this structural hiring contraction. If you do not adapt to this new corporate reality, you risk becoming obsolete in a highly automated economy. To understand why this is happening, we must look at the traditional corporate growth model that defined the last 50 years. Historically, when a business grew, its headcount grew in lockstep. Expanding a sales team meant hiring more sales reps. Launching a new product meant hiring more developers and marketing coordinators. This linear relationship between revenue and staff size created a robust job market with clear entry points for professionals. Junior employees were hired to handle administrative tasks, gather data, and write reports, gaining the experience needed to eventually move into management. This was the talent conveyor belt of the modern economy. Companies accepted the overhead of a large workforce because there was no alternative way to scale operations. But this linear scaling model is now dead. Automated intelligence has broken the link between productivity and headcount. The administrative and execution tasks that once required thousands of workers are now handled by algorithms, leaving the traditional hiring model obsolete. But this is only the beginning of the shift. The real driver behind this hiring slowdown is the rapid capability expansion of generative AI and automated systems. These tools do not just speed up work, they eliminate the need for extra heads. An AI agent can analyze a company's marketing performance, draft 50 variations of an ad campaign, and launch them in minutes. A software developer using an AI coding assistant can write and debug code twice as fast as before, meaning a team of 3 developers can now perform the work that once required 6. In this new era, a team of 3 may soon outperform a team of 30 using traditional methods. In customer service, finance, and legal analysis, AI systems are handling high-volume, complex tasks with minimal human intervention. For employers, the financial calculation is simple. An AI agent costs a few dollars a month, requires no onboarding, and makes fewer errors than a junior human executor. As these models become more integrated, companies are choosing to invest in software rather than expanding their payroll. The capability gap between traditional human labor and low-cost AI is shrinking, reducing the need for new hiring. However, an even bigger change is already underway in corporate strategy. We can see clear evidence of this shift in the recent earnings reports and hiring practices of major enterprises. Tech companies like Google and Meta have publicly committed to maintaining flat or reduced headcounts while focusing heavily on AI investment. In the retail sector, companies are using automated supply chain systems and automated checkout technology, reducing the need for administrative staff. In the financial sector, firms are using AI to analyze market trends and draft research reports, tasks that used to occupy fleets of junior analysts. A study by the tech research firm Gartner showed that 64% of CFOs plan to prioritize automation in their budgets this year, while only 26% plan to increase hiring. This decoupling of growth and headcount is reflected in the macroeconomic data. Corporate profits are hitting record highs while job postings continue to fall. Companies are realizing they can achieve record efficiency by replacing human workflows with digital systems. This is not a temporary trend, it is the new baseline of corporate operations. But the real disruption hasn't arrived yet, and it involves the speed of this transition. Most professionals believe they have years to retrain and prepare for this shift. However, the timeline of corporate AI adoption is compressed compared to any previous technology. The personal computer took 15 years to integrate into office workflows. The internet took a decade. In contrast, generative AI and automated workflows are being deployed globally in a matter of months. Within the next 3 to 5 years, we will reach a tipping point where companies will expect all employees to be proficient in AI orchestration. But this is where things become unexpected. Many assume this rapid timeline means the complete elimination of human jobs. But the reality is more complicated. The contrarian view is that while companies are hiring fewer people, they are willing to pay significantly more for highly leveraged AI conductors. A single professional who knows how to direct AI systems to produce massive output is worth more to a company than a team of traditional specialists. The highest paid employee of the 2030s may not manage people at all. They may manage AI systems. The timeline is not about the end of employment, but the end of traditional single-skill execution. What happens next could change everything. This brings us to the alternative path that professionals must take to secure their careers. Since companies are hiring fewer specialists, you cannot rely on the old playbook of offering a single, narrow, technical skill. You must position yourself as an AI-empowered generalist, a professional who can orchestrate AI tools to perform multiple functions. Instead of being just a copywriter, you must be a content director who uses AI to handle drafting, graphic design, and analytics. Instead of being just a programmer, you must be a product architect who leverages AI to write code, test software, and deploy applications. Focus on developing high-value skills that AI cannot replicate: strategic decision-making, complex problem-solving, and relationship management. Build a public portfolio of projects that demonstrate your ability to deliver end-to-end results using AI leverage. By positioning yourself as a high-leverage operator who can do the work of a team, you bypass the contracting job market and become indispensable. This is your new career roadmap. But if this continues, what does the broader future look like? If these trends continue, the structure of the corporate world will look radically different in the next decade. We will see the rise of the micro-multinational, companies built by small teams of 3 to 5 people generating millions in revenue by leveraging networks of AI agents. In this future, one employee may soon generate more output than an entire department did 10 years ago. The traditional corporate hierarchy, with layers of middle managers and legions of junior executives, will become obsolete. In this environment, the demand for traditional resumes will disappear, replaced by digital proof of work, public portfolios, and verifiable problem-solving capabilities. Education will also transform. Universities will shift from teaching rote memorization and technical execution to teaching prompt engineering, system design, and philosophical ethics. The second-order effect of this will be a massive divergence in the job market. There will be high demand for highly skilled AI conductors and hands-on physical workers in trade industries, while the traditional white-collar middle class faces severe compression. Those who rely solely on academic credentials without practical AI orchestration skills will find themselves locked out of high-paying careers, while those who master the technology will command unprecedented leverage. This transition also presents the greatest opportunity of your professional life. The barrier to building your own products or launching your own services has evaporated. With AI tools, you have the capability of an entire software company, agency, or consultancy in your laptop. To capture this opportunity, you must develop 2 primary skill sets: system orchestration, knowing how to connect AI tools to automate complex workflows, and human communication, including storytelling, high-stakes negotiation, and relationship building. The valuable roles of the future are not junior executives. They are AI operations managers, integration consultants, and strategic advisors. By focusing on these high-leverage areas now, you turn the threat of reduced corporate hiring into your ultimate personal competitive advantage. The future of work is not about how many people a company hires, but how much value a single person can create. Will you remain a traditional specialist competing against automation, or will you become the AI conductor who directs it? Subscribe to Future Decoded for weekly strategies to help you navigate this transition and build a secure, prosperous career in the automated economy. Share your opinion in the comments. How is AI already changing the hiring practices in your industry?